Unlock a whole new level of mobile interactivity in your Webflow projects and make your divs swipeable. First, let's create the container for our swipeable content. Add a main div block to your canvas. This will act as the wrapper for all the elements you want to make swipeable. Inside this main div, you'll want to place all the individual elements that your users will swipe through. These could be images, cards, or any content you want to display horizontally now. Select that main wrapper div in the Style panel. Find the layout settings. We need to set the overflow to hidden. Crucially, set the width of this main wrapper div to be the full width of your viewport, or whatever width you want your swipeable area to be then. For the inner divs that contain your content, set their display property to inline block. Make sure each of these inner divs has a width that's smaller than the main wrapper, so they don't all fit on screen at once. Add some margin between them to create visual separation. This starts to set up the horizontal layout. Now for the magic. Go to the Interactions panel. We'll add a new element trigger interaction for the trigger type. Choose Drag. Make sure to deselect anything related to scrolling. Under the drag settings, we want to enable movement along the z-axis. This is what allows for horizontal swiping then. Select the swipe left-right option. Now we need to tell Webflow how to move the content when a swipe occurs. For swipe left, we'll want to trigger a move animation to shift the inner elements horizontally to the left by a certain amount. For swipe right, we'll set up another move animation to bring them back to the right. And there you have it. Your div is now swipeable. Test it out by dragging your mouse or using a touch gesture on your device. This is perfect for creating dynamic image carousels or engaging product showcases that truly enhance your mobile user experience.